Guys, today I woke up today and I can't see my search button on the taskbar, and we should be able to find the solution. Let me just do a quick check. It's around here. You come to the taskbar here. This is my taskbar. I hope you all can see. You right click on the taskbar, then we go to the search. It's over here. Search, it's hidden. You check on the, we have search, show search icon. No, I need a search box where I can type my things. So you click on the show search box. It's around here. Oh, now I can search anything. I can search maybe a CMD. Yeah, it works. Then there is also another way to find this one. In case that one that does not work with you, there's this one that I used to. You right click, then you go to taskbar settings. Let me just maximize. Normally you will find this one show you in small task. It's not activated. You make sure it's not activated. It should be off. Then you come to the task location. It should be bottom. Shouldn't be anywhere else. It should be bottom. Then from there you close and you have the search box around here. You can search anything you want. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to Ghetto Games Gaming Nairobi. Goodbye.